Ever feel like your business processes are more of a maze than a streamlined path to success? That your departments function in silos rather than as a unified entity? The answer to these predicaments might just be hidden in three little letters: ERP. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is a system designed to integrate and automate core business processes. Think of it like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays in harmony, creating a symphony of streamlined operations. From taking customer orders and scheduling operations to keeping inventory records and financial data, ERP systems aim to bring order to the chaos. They're like the glue that binds various departments together, enabling them to work as a cohesive unit rather than isolated entities. At the heart of an ERP system is integration. By unifying various functions and departments within an organization into a single system, ERP ensures a seamless flow of information. No more playing broken telephone between departments. Everyone operates from the same script. Another key feature of ERP systems is their common database. Picture a vast library where every department can store, retrieve, and interpret data in real time. This centralized database ensures data consistency across the organization, making sure everyone's on the same page. ERP systems are also modular, like building blocks. Each block, or module, focuses on a different aspect of the business, such as finance, human resources, manufacturing, or supply chain management. Organizations can pick and choose which blocks to use, tailoring the system to fit their specific needs. Operating in real time is another major strength of ERP systems. This means users can access up-to-date information and make informed decisions swiftly. It's like having your finger on the pulse of the organization at all times. Standardization is another feather in ERP's cap. With predefined business processes based on industry best practices, ERP systems help organizations streamline their processes and boost efficiency. ERP systems also offer robust reporting and analytics capabilities. Imagine being able to generate detailed reports and gain insights into your operations at the click of a button. It's like having a magnifying glass that reveals the intricate details of your business processes. Scalability is a key advantage of ERP systems. As your business needs change, you can add or remove modules, ensuring your ERP system evolves with you. And in recent years, cloud-based ERP solutions have burst onto the scene. These offer the advantages of lower upfront costs, easier implementation, and automatic updates, making them an increasingly popular choice. To sum it up, ERP systems are like the central nervous system of an organization. They integrate functions, streamline workflows, ensure data consistency, and provide real-time information and insights. They're not just a tool, they're a game changer. So, if you're navigating the labyrinth of business processes, consider ERP. It might just be the guiding light you need.